What if I told you that in just 14 days, you could drop stubborn fat, tone your body, and feel years younger without stepping into a gym or starving yourself? Sounds impossible? Here's the truth. Most people fail not because they're lazy, but because they're following the wrong plan. And every day you wait, your metabolism slows, your confidence fades, and your health risks increase. Today, we stop the cycle. In the next 14 days, I'll guide you through a step-by-step challenge that works for any fitness level, anywhere. No expensive equipment, no complicated diet, just proven, science-backed moves designed to burn fat, sculpt muscle, and boost your energy fast. Let's be real. You've tried crash diets, intense workout videos, maybe even pricey supplements. And still, the results vanish as quickly as they came. Why? Because most plans ignore real-life obstacles: time, motivation, and sustainability. They set you up to quit before you even start. This challenge fixes that. Today is about waking up your body. We start with 20 squats, 15 push-ups, and a 30-second plank, 3 rounds. Keep your core tight and breathe through each rep. You're telling your body, it's time to burn. Your core is your powerhouse. Today we're going for 20 mountain climbers, 15 sit-ups, and a 20-second side plank on each side. 3 rounds in total. Feel the burn? That's your future six-pack waking up. We're turning up the heat today. 30 seconds of jumping jacks, 20 high knees, and 10 burpees, 3 rounds. These short, intense bursts torch calories long after you stop. Glutes are your body's largest calorie-burning muscle. So let's hit 15 lunges per leg, 20 glute bridges, and a 30-second wall sit, 3 rounds. Feel that burn? That's progress right there. Push-ups, tricep dips, and shoulder taps, 3 rounds of 12 each. Strong arms aren't just for looks, they boost posture and daily strength. "20 jump squats, 15 Russian twists, and 10 burpees, 3 rounds. This combo keeps your heart pumping and abs firing. Stretch, walk, or do light yoga. Recovery isn't laziness, it's how your body grows stronger. We're starting week 2 with intensity. That's 20 squats, 15 push-ups, and a 30-second plank, 4 rounds. Remember day 1? Now you're stronger. Alright, it's 15 leg raises, 20 mountain climbers, and a 30-second bicycle crunch, 3 rounds. Burn through the midsection fat and reveal muscle tone. "30 seconds of jump rope, 20 high knees, and 10 burpees, 3 rounds. Push your pace, your future self will thank you. Alright, so today we've got 20 lunges per leg, 20 glute bridges, and a 30-second wall sit. 4 rounds, okay? Remember, your legs carry you, so let's make them strong. Alright folks, here we go. 12 push-ups, 12 tricep dips, 12 shoulder taps, and you're gonna do that for 4 rounds. Feel the strength building with each rep. Seriously, you're crushing it. Okay, time to push yourself. 20 jump squats, 15 mountain climbers, and 10 burpees, all for 4 rounds. Leave nothing behind today. Give it everything you've got. Today, stretch, walk, and take a moment to reflect. Look at how far you've come, physically and mentally. And remember, this is just the start. Congratulations! You've completed the 14-day fitness challenge. Your clothes fit better, your energy is higher, and your confidence is honestly unstoppable. But why stop here? Click the video on your screen, the ultimate healthy lifestyle blueprint. And let's turn your 14 days into a lifetime of health.